Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am back with lesson number 11, that is about words and phonics. Let's have a look at today's objectives. By the end of the lesson, you would be able to learn and read the words with the help of phonics R and A. Read the following words along with me. Car, L, cart, cart, parp, barb, arm, farm, star, grandpa, R. Now you have to use these words to complete these sentences. Grandpa has an old car. It goes parp, parp. So in this manner you have to complete all these sentences. Send your task at fsabin06@gmail.com or at 0302986170. Waiting for your homeworks. Till then, bye-bye.